Hi there! Today I tell you everything you need to know to create your own GIFs based on pictures, videos, and even YouTube links. We will do so using Giphy. So go ahead, visit giphy.com, log in, or create a new account. It's for free. Now something you really need to know. If you want your GIFs to be integrated in your social media like Facebook or Instagram, you have to apply for an artist channel or a brand channel. I will put a link into the video description where you can find all the information you need. Finally, we are going to start creating. So log in and then choose Create. I prepared a picture. I will just drag and drop it. Now we have plenty of options to decorate. We can add some text, maybe Spatz. We can change the style. We can place it anywhere we want. And we can choose maybe the rainbow animation. Let's continue to stickers. I have something in mind. I want my little sparrow here to fart into the face of Donald Trump. Let's search for Trump first. And we will go with this little sticker here. Wow. And add it maybe right here. We will search for fart now. And, oh, this is disgusting. Let's do this. And maybe rotate it a little bit. And put it right into his face. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's continue with filters. And you have plenty of options here. We go for glitch. Now we continue drawing. I don't want you to have high expectations here because I'm using the mouse to draw something. Let's try to draw a little Spatz here maybe. Okay, looks terrible. Let's continue uploading. But first we have to add some information. Of course, the source is spatzinderhand.de. And this is also one of our tags. And another one without the de. And maybe let's add Trump and fart also. Make sure to use unique tags, otherwise you won't find your GIF in social media. Rating. This content should be appropriate for all ages, so it's a G rating. And now let's upload. In the meantime, have a zip. Sun is coming in. Oh, it's done. Okay, I don't like the sun coming in. Wait a second. Oh, much better. Okay, we created a little GIF using a picture. Let's continue with the video. So let's open a new tab, create, and of course I prepared something. Here you see the Spatz in der Hand tag, somewhere lost in space. It's loopable, so it's perfect for a GIF. So again, we will just drag and drop it here. And now we have to wait a little bit. Yeah! Now we have the possibility to trim our video, but we want to have the whole thing. This time I won't decorate anything. So let's just continue, enter the source. Enter some text. And maybe Spatz in space. G rating. and upload. Yeah, so now we created a GIF using a video file. Now it's time to create a GIF using a YouTube link. So let's open a new tab, create, and we will create a GIF out of my Patreon introduction video. By the way, feel free to support me on Patreon. Okay, I copied the link, put it here, and here we go. We can choose a start time and a duration up to 15 seconds. Maybe just to make it really quick, let's take 1 second, but at the very end, where I'm going a little bit crazy, it looks funny. Let's continue. And we don't have to decorate it now. I just want to make the point. Continue to upload. The source, of course, is YouTube. Then again, we can add Spatz in der Hand. Der Hand. And without the DE. And maybe mark. I mark, by the way. And his plant. Oh, sorry. G rating and upload. Okay, so we created a GIF using a picture, a GIF using a video file, and a GIF using a YouTube link. Did you like the video? Please support me on Patreon and have a good time.